I'm back. This is my Arty May's design team project using her nature walk kit. It's so pretty. It has a lot of blues in it, so I tried to stick with blues and stuff, but of course I have to put a little pink and This is another cover made from the upholstery fabric. And I used the corrugated paper, sewed around the image, and used this cute ribbon and just ran that green ribbon through it. Put the little filigree on there and some buttons. And this is the fabric. And it's a pretty chunky one. Let's see. It's just one signature. I will link Arty May's shop below, and you have to run over there and get this kit because I super love it. It's so pretty. Let me try to fix this here. My thing is not cooperating very well with me. Okay, it's kind of a chunky, fat one, and I did some snippet tabs on this one. I didn't do a snippet closure, but I did the snippet tabs. And inside, most of everything in here is from her kit, and I'll let you know if it's not the kit. Other than that, it's mostly her kit. I used some the little Hobby Lobby button trim down here and add a little Tim Holtz photo right there. And this is a, oh my goodness, her Melinda tag. Coffee dyed, everything's coffee dyed in here. This is so gorgeous. I love this. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Everything in this kit is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I just made a little tiny tag right there. And this is one of the envelopes. And it's got the journaling inside. I think it's so pretty. I just really liked working with this kit. And I just added a little button on that snippet right there. And over here I just did a little fabric tip out and add a little bulb pin right there and some buttons. And over here is one of the pockets, and I just have a tag I made go in there. This is not the kit, it's just some paper I had that I thought was cute. So I made a tag out of it and did some stenciling. That's not the kit, of course. I just did a little sewing around her and put her on there. So pretty. I love the blues. I've never worked with blue really before. So this was kind of nice. Something different. I did some polka dot paper. And this is Tim Holtz. And I just put some pom-pom trim and added some little layering right there. And this beautiful tag from the kit. And this one that I made a file folder tag. Some music paper. This is one of the pages. I just covered this glassine envelope with it. And there's just some extra paper in there for her to journal, and I sewed all around it. And it's so pretty. I love these. Just extra journaling. Tag I made. This is Tim Holtz. Isn't that pretty little forget-me-nots? This is an envelope, comes completely off, and there's a doily under it. Thought I'd use some of my stamps on all of my tags I made. And there is a journaling card inside there. This is just some extra of the paper that I did not use, and I wanted to put it in here. Isn't that envelope gorgeous? This is Tim Holtz. I just don't want to take it off. I'm sorry, because my hand hurts. So, is this not gorgeous? Love this kit. So pretty. Edith Holden. Little snippets of paper. These pockets are so cute. I love them. I just made little tags that go inside file folder tags, and then her little jar tags. I love those. I sewed around these. This is the other journaling jar. And this is a glassine bag I sewed on, and this image is from the kit. I sewed around it, backed it with cardstock, and then also this is paper from her kit. And inside the bag is a big Melinda tag. And behind there is also another journaling tag. So love that. Put out some banners from the kit, and then these two. And I just put a little butterfly on there. Some more banners. And this is a little envelope. It has the journaling card inside, and I just sewed polka dot paper on the back. Oh, goodness. And I sprayed some shimmer on the pages. This is just a little Her Melinda tag. I love this stitch. So pretty. And over here I just did a blue lace pocket and put some trim on the bottom. And this is an extra page that I didn't put in the book. It's just a lined page for journaling. And then this journaling card. And over here I made an envelope, and I meant for this to go on the back of the envelope, but it ended up on the front, so I just made a big pocket instead of an envelope and put this inside. And it's all sewed around. I made a little belly band out of these beautiful tickets. And inside is this journaling card. Love all those little bugs. And an envelope with a journaling card inside. I just think this kit is so pretty. I love it. And a Her Melinda tag. I love her tags. She makes them so gorgeous. And I just did some little layering right there. And a little Tim Holtz tuck flower. I just made a tuck spot, and this is from the kit. And then a little Tim Holtz person, and some of the little tickets. And over here, sewed around that image. And this opens up. It's just paper folded like an envelope. And this image. Love it. Journaling card. And a little tiny tag. Here is a little tag I made from a file folder, and I just made a little tuck spot out of that flower for these little Tim Holtz kids. And a paper clip, decorative paper clip with this journaling card. And this is a flip out bag that I got from Denise's shop. And I just layered this on top and made a tuck behind there and a tuck inside. Love these big journaling tags. I love them. And here is from the kit some journaling card booklet. And I just made a tuck spot out of this one. This is my favorite one. I love that bead. I love it. I sewed around it and added some trim. This big journaling tag. And then this one. And this one. Another big tag I made. And over here is a decorative paper clip. This one. And this paper clip, I watched Rita's Donnelly's, and she said Paula, not me, but another Paula on Junk Journal Junkies. I don't remember how to say her name, her last name, but she did those ticket paper clip thingies, and they're so cute. I'll link her video below. I did go watch her video, and so I was playing around with that, and I came up with this little paper clip. And on the back side, a journaling card and some extra tickets. And I will link Arty Maze's kit, the link to this beautiful kit below. And this comes completely off, and it comes in the kit as well. Look at that, yeah. I love it, love it. And over here, I just made a big journaling card out of this one. Punched the top with Martha Stewart. And some Tim Holtz you can tuck behind there with that little tag. If your hands are correct. And it is stuffed with some goodies from the kit. And just a tag I made. This one is Tsunami Rose file folder. I thought the colors were gorgeous, so I wanted to put her in here. And then these two. And that is this is actually a tuck spot right there. There you go. And I added some more of that little button trim. Oh my goodness, if I was in frame you'd see it. Some more button trim right there. And this is my Arty Maze design team project. Well, I actually owe her a couple design team projects, so this was one of them. It just takes me a while, like I said, because of my dumb old hands, and they're really painful, so it just takes me a while more in between videos now. But yeah, I will have another design team project coming for her really soon. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day, and I will make sure I link everybody's videos below that I watched making this, and I will link Arty Maze's Etsy shop. And thank you so much, Andrea, for the kit. I love it, and have a great day. Bye-bye.